Graphing. I think you're going to find graphing to be fun. Some students hate graphing. They work with me. They end up loving it. They find out it's really not all that hard. But there's some key things you need to know for it to work. So first of all, I have what we call, ordered pairs over here. I have a coordinate plane. And so the horizontal, this is known as our x-axis, and the vertical, this is known as our y-axis. When we write points, we write them like this. We go x, comma, y. Okay. Our x's go positive this way, and our x's go negative this way. Our y's go positive this way, and our y's go negative that way. So once you understand how this works, it's just a matter of counting. So for example, I have four dots that are on here right now. And so we're going to figure out where they are. So as I take a look at, let me do this one first. So remember, when we do our ordered pairs, we're going to do our x and our y. So the first thing I want to know is where it lies, as if this were just a number line. And if I look at it, I know it's a little hard right here, but if I go straight down, I notice that that's going to be, well, let's just say it's on the 2. Okay, 1, 2. It's 2 over, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's up on the 6. So that point would be 2, comma 6. X is 2, and the y is 6. Positive 2, positive 6. Okay, let's take a look at this guy out here. Now, if I'm going on a number line this way, and this right here is going to be my 0, I'm going -1, -2, -3, -4. So on this one, my x is going to be a -4. And how about my y? I went down 1 from the x-axis. So this one goes with this to -1. That would be -4, -1. Okay? What if it's on here? What do? Well, remember, this is just going to be some form of an x and a y, right? Well, let's figure out the x. 1, 2, 3, 4. It went over 4, so my x is 4. Now, did it go up or down from the axis? The answer is it didn't. It's not up nor it's down. It's right on. So on that one, we're going to write a 0. Okay, so that's 4, 0. Let's compare it to this one right here. How far left and right did it go? It didn't. It's right on there. So this one right here, for its x, the x is going to be 0 because it didn't go left or right, but it's going to be down 2, so that's going to be 0, comma, -2. Okay, and that's how we write that. Now, this is going to get a little bit busy. I apologize. Okay, but let's deal with all these blue ones that I wrote over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and write them. 7, comma 2. My x is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my y is 2, positive 2. That's 1, 2. So I'm going to write it right there. There's my 7, comma 2. How about this one? -3, comma 4. Well, my x is -3. 1, 2, -3. My y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. That's better with graph paper. Right about there, it looks like. -3, comma 4 would be that dot right there. Okay, let's look at -1 and 5. So I'm going to go on my x, -1, and that's a positive 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trying not to get them too close together. So that one right there, that's going to be my -1, comma 5. All right, let's look at the next one. 6, -6. So it's a positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's a -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one right here would be my 6, comma -6. And now we have some that are on the plane, right on it. So 0, 4. This is where people make mistakes. So be very careful and say it the right way. The x is 0. That means left and right, it moved 0. So the x is right there on 0. The y is 4. So the y is the up and down. So the x is 0. The y is 4. So this one is 0, comma 4. And if I look at this one, -5, 0, well, what's the x? The x is -5. So start there first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The y is 0. That means it didn't go up or down, and it's sitting right there. And this right here is going to be my -5, comma 0. Okay. Sometimes people mix this up with slope and things like that. We haven't even talked about slope yet. You've probably heard of things like that before. Just hang on and learn how to plot these points. Take a look at the worksheets that I have available for you. You're gonna have to identify some, and you're gonna have to write some, and I think you'll feel really comfortable with plotting points. Once we do that, the rest of the graphing starts to get really easy. All right, so we'll see you with some graph paper.